Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change chat theme on Instagram. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram app and then tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now right here, you need to choose the chat that you want to change the theme. For example, this one. And as you can see, my current theme right over here. Now, if you want to change it, you just have to tap on the profile name at the top of your screen, and you can see the theme option below your chat settings. And here, you can now choose a theme that you want. So, for example, I want this one, and you will finally see that the chat theme has changed. Now, if you didn't see these themes on your Instagram, all you need to do is go back to your home screen and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then tap on the settings. Then go ahead and tap on help and go to report a problem. Now right over here, you can describe your problem or describe what happened or what's not working on your Instagram. So for example, I want to put on my themes are not working. Please help me. And then you can also upload a screenshot of that problem. And once you've done, you can now tap on send and you will wait for a few days. Wait for Instagram team to fix your problem. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.